talk about the supplements that can increase testosterone and yes, trigger breakouts. Number 1 is ashwagandha. It's known for stress relief, but it can also raise testosterone level. So if you're acne prone, you might notice your skin getting oilier and those jawline pimples showing up. So number 2 is DHEA or DHEA. This is a hormone booster that converts into testosterone and estrogen. It can boost energy, but it can also trigger cystic acne. Number 3 is testosterone boosters. Supplements that contain tribulus, tongkat ali, or fenugreek. Yes, they increase androgens. And the result, oilier skin and more pimples. And number 4 is whey protein and creatine. It is great for muscle gains, but they can also raise DHT. It is a stronger form of testosterone that acne-causing bacteria love. And number 5, last but not the least, it's the biotin. It's great for hair and nails, but in high doses, it can worsen acne, especially if you have sensitive skin. So my tip, if you suddenly start breaking out after taking a new supplement, pause it first, switch to plant-based protein, and always check your labels. Sometimes it's not your skincare, it's your supplements.